Do you say he go to school or he goes to school? Let's fix this forever. Today, you will learn the present indefinite tense in the easiest way with rules and examples. In this lesson, you will learn positive sentences rules, negative sentences rules, interrogative sentences rules. Present indefinite tense is used for daily routines, habits, and general truths. Let's start the topic. The sentence structure for positive sentence is subject plus first form of verb plus s or es plus predicate. Remember this rule. With he, she, and it, we add s or es to the verb. For example, I play cricket and she plays cricket.
Now, moving to our next step, the negative sentences. For negative sentences, the structure is subject plus does not or do not plus first form of verb plus predicate. Remember this rule that with he, she, and it, we add does not to the verb, while with I, we, you, and they, we add do not to the verb. Also remember that we do not add e or es to the verb in negative sentences. For example, they do not like coffee, and she does not like coffee.
Let's proceed to interrogative sentences. For interrogative sentences, the structure is does or do plus sub plus first form of verb plus predicate plus question mark. Remember the same rule that with he, she, and it, we add does not to the verb, while with I, we, you, and they, we add do not to the verb. Also, remember that adding a question mark is mandatory. For example, do you play football? And does he play football? We use this tense in our daily life conversation.
Let's practice them. I wake up at 7 a.m. She studies every day. My phone supports 5G. I do not like spicy food. We do not eat together on weekends. He does not fix things at home. They do not live in a big house. I do not take a shower every day. Do you study at night? Does he not eat junk food? Do we travel during holidays? Does Nightbather play video games? Tell me about your routine using this tense in the comment. Stay tuned for the next episode where you'll learn how to talk about actions happening right now. Subscribe now so that you won't miss the next lesson on the present continuous tense.
Like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon.